extra time.
আমি চিনি গো চিনি তোমারে ও গো বিদেশিনী তুমি থাকো সিন্ধু পারে ও গো বিদেশিনী The one that I didn't practice before, all the other songs I've sung before, the one that I didn't practice but we decided to use that was Pagla Hawar. And that is why it is my favorite because it's pretty new for me. So I take more enjoyment singing that song than the others which I've sung 1,000 times. I know at least 10 or 15 Bengali songs by heart. For example, Tare Yami Chokhe Dekhini, Tarone Golpo Shunechi. This is not Rabindra Sangeet, right? But I know that song as well. Then, E Ki Holo, Kano Holo, Kobe Holo, Janina. That was. And I played, I think, in a time when Test cricket was really, good quality. So there weren't too many easy attacks around unless you played at home against the weak side. So that was the toughest. Commentary is quite easy if you have the requisite, skills and a bit of an understanding of the game. And as cricketer, I think thoda sa leniency hota hai. People like, Harsha Bhogle who have not played the game, I think they are under more pressure to put in a good performance. Singing has its own challenges, but recording an album is easy because if the mistake happens, if I edge a ball outside the off stump, I can ask the bowler to bowl again. उसी सीरीज में हुआ था कृष्णमाचारी श्रीकांत कप्तान थे and maybe he wanted media on his side and condone some of the mistakes that he made, so that was the idea. I don't think everyone was committed to it. I don't think the players were happy having the media so close, so it's no surprise that it didn't last too long. Compositions, and I think the language also makes it like Ami Chini Go Chini Tomare, and if you sing it in some other language, maybe it will not have the same ring to it. So I think first melody, the composition, because the thing is these are all highly accomplished people who create simple tunes. The whole purpose of music is to you should feel good about it. Ami chini go chini tomare o go bideshini তুমি থাকো সিন্ধু পারে ও গো বিদেশিনী।